Watermelon is a refreshing fruit that is perfect for the summer season. It is also easy to grow at home from seeds. In this article, we will guide you through the process of growing watermelon from seeds in Indian English. Subscribe to Johdi Agriculture YouTube channel, like video and do comment below the video. Step 1. Choosing the right seeds. The first step in growing watermelon from seed is to choose the right seeds. You can either purchase seeds from a local nursery or save seeds from a watermelon that you have eaten. If you decide to save seeds from a watermelon, make sure to choose a ripe one and let the seeds dry completely before storing them. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Watermelon plants require well-draining soil that is rich in nutrients. Mixing compost or well-rotted manure into the top 6 to 8 inches of soil. The ideal pH level for watermelon plants is between 6.0 and 6.8. Step 3. Planting the seeds. Watermelon seeds should be planted directly into the soil once the danger of frost has passed. In India, this is usually around mid-March. Make sure to plant the seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 feet apart. Watermelon plants require a lot of space to grow, so make sure to plant them in a sunny area where they can spread out. Step 4. Watering and fertilizing. Watermelon plants require a lot of water, especially during the first few weeks of growth. Make sure to water the plants deeply at least once a week. You can also apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks to ensure that the plants have enough nutrients to grow. Step 5. Harvesting the watermelons. Watermelons are usually ready to harvest 80 to 100 days after planting. You can tell if a watermelon is ripe by thumping it with your finger. If it sounds hollow, then it is ripe. You can also check the color of the bottom of the watermelon. If it is yellow, then it is ripe. Once the watermelon is ripe, cut it from the vine with a sharp knife. In conclusion, growing watermelon from seeds at home is a fun and easy project that can yield delicious results. Just remember to choose the right seeds, prepare the soil, plant the seeds, water and fertilize the plants, and harvest the watermelons when they are ripe. Happy gardening! Step 1. Choosing the right seeds. The first step in growing watermelon from seed is to choose the right seeds. You can either purchase seeds from a local nursery or save